Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making daikon miso soup. The daikons are tender, and the dashi broth has an umami flavor that makes it rich in taste. If you love daikon in soup, this healthy recipe is for you. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 100 grams of daikon, 2 daikon leaves, 1 piece of aburage, 2 tablespoons of miso paste, 1 1/2 teaspoon of dashi powder, 800 milliliters of water. Step 1. Peel daikon and slice it into bite-sized pieces. Chop daikon leaves and cut aburage into thin strips. Step 2. Put daikon, aburage, dashi powder, and water in a pot, and bring to a boil over medium heat. Step 3. Lower the heat and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the daikon becomes tender. Step 4. Add daikon leaves and cook for 1 more minute. Step 5. Turn off the heat, add miso paste, and stir gently until it dissolves. Pour the soup into a bowl and savor it immediately. Enjoying this comforting daikon miso soup is a great way to start your day, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I hope you enjoy this hearty daikon miso soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free onigiri recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.